Hello everyone. Hi. It's raining really badly. When they said it was gonna rain, I thought it was gonna be a light drizzle. Okay, it's the end times, buddy. Who the fuck unbuttoned my knife? It made it a little bit easier though. Check outside. Open the damn door and look up. No. It's not really that easy to.
What's happening?
It's literally is the end times though, dude. Take a small break from there. Go outside. I'm telling you.
What's happening?
Shit's going down.
What the hell is this happening? Tell me.
Really, it's so much rain and stuff, basically mostly, but it's really like scary, like lightning. Every time it goes like boom, there's lightning.
Oh shit, this thing is gonna settle in a while, though.
Dude, for real, just look while it's still going on. What gun is that? There's a good chance we're gonna. It's not going down anytime soon. Shit. Now I know it's awful that you guys can't see it that way, but it's like. It's almost that it's daytime somewhat. Sorry, I just had to do that.